Good day, everyone. I am Chanel Bernaldez, and today I will going to discuss the sexual health and hygiene. So, puberty causes all kinds of changes in adolescent's body. These changes are normal part of developing into an adult. There are instances when these changes can be a source of anxiety to the growing teen. According to World Health Organization, reproductive and sexual health accounts the global burden of ill health. For women is 20% and for men is 14%. It is closely related to other aspects of health. Love, affection, and sexual intimacy all play a role in healthy relationships. So, what is sexual health? Sexual health, according to the World Health Organization, it defines as a state of physical, emotional, mental, and social well being in relation to sexuality. Why is sexual health important? Because being in a good sexual health means you are well informed, careful, and respectful to yourselves and others. What is hygiene? Hygiene refers to behaviors that can improve cleanliness and lead to good. Example: take regular shower, wash your hands frequently, trim your nails and wash your hairs, clean your ears, wear fresh and warm clothes, and maintain oral hygiene practices. Hygiene practices are employed as preventative measures to reduce the incidence and spreading of diseases for prevention of health. So, reproductive health refers to the state of complete physical, mental, social well being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity in all matters relating to the reproductive system and to its function and processes of all stages of life. So, why is reproductive health important? Reproductive health is important because it protects both the mother and the child from infections, diseases, and to deliver a healthy baby. So, there are consequences of poor sexual health. These are: poor sexual health can lead to a host of adverse consequences. Coercion and a lack of education in sexual health resources can lead to unintended pregnancy and STIs. STIs stand for sexually transmitted infections. And lastly, is failing to communicate with doctors can also cause a long-term physical health consequences. And also, there are ways to improve sexual health. These are talk therapy or one on one therapy, and even couples counseling can help people wade through these issues and came out at the other side in better sexual health. Also, it is important to speak to a doctor about sexual health needs. So, these are the factors that can negatively impact hygiene: poverty and lack of access to clean water, a person's mental health, adverse impact your social life and presentation, adverse impact on your career and dampens your romantic life. Importance of sexual health and hygiene. It is important for maintaining both a physical and mental health because good physical health helps alleviate the symptoms of depression. It keeps all the parts of external body clean and healthy. It reduces the chances of getting infections down there and leading to more significant issues such as infertility. And also, it diminishes the possibility of contracting all sorts of sexually transmitted diseases. So, how to maintain good personal hygiene? Knowing how to maintain good personal hygiene can make it easier to build a routine. A person should have some basic knowledge of the following types of hygiene: hand washing. Some infections are caused when other people's dirty hands touch the food we eat. Hands and wrists should be washed with clean soap and water. Dental hygiene. Dentist says that the most important part of tooth care happens at home. Brushing and flossing properly along with dental checkups can help prevent tooth decay. Body hair. You should use a traditional razor with shaving cream or gel, or you can use an electric razor. Oily hair. Washing your hair every day or every other day can help control oily hair. Sweat and body odor. The best way to keep clean is to bath or shower every day, using a mild soap and warm water. This will help wash away any bacteria that can contribute to the smell. Deodorant or antiperspirant. They use to control underarm odor after puberty. Many people not only bath or shower. Genital and menstrual hygiene. Taking care of one's sexual health is not only about preventing diseases or infections, but also about good hygiene in the general area. For women, never wash inside the vagina. Wash the outer genital area or the labia, making sure to get in between the folds and the area between vagina and the anus daily with warm water. If using soap, use only unscented varieties. Menstruation. Wash your body, including your genital area, in the same way as you always do. Tampons. The kind of protection a girl wears inside the vagina when she menstruates and should be changed at least 4 to 6 hours. Sanitary pad or sanitary napkins. This kind of protection a girl wears in her underpants when menstruates. Cystitis is an infection of the bladder. Thrush, some soaps and detergents can irritate the skin of the vagina and make thrush infection more likely. For men, and a man with an uncircumcised penis can clean it by gently pulling back the foreskin and washing underneath it with warm water or soap. A buildup of secretions called smegma can form under the foreskin of uncircumcised men. If you are uncircumcised, gently pull back the foreskin when you have a shower and clean with water. You can use soap if you like, but make sure you rinse it off well. Wash the outer genital area, the penis and the testicles, and the area between the testicles and the anus daily with warm water. If using soap, use only unscented varieties. In uncircumcised males, pull the foreskin back and using warm water, wash the glans or the head of the penis. Athletic supporter, the formal term for the rock strap. There are female hygiene and male hygiene. For the female hygiene, avoid using scented soap and gels. Wash the area with warm water daily, even if you skip a shower. Change tampons, pads, or liners at least 4 to 5 times a day. Don't shave the entire pubic hair. And for the male hygiene, too much washing with soap and shower gels can cause soreness. These areas need frequent washing to stop sweat from accumulating, especially as they are enclosed in underwater for most of the day. Look out for any unusual lumps or swellings in your testicles that weren't there before. Make sure the area between the base of the testicles and the anus is also clean and odor-free. There are two main reasons why sexual health and hygiene is vital. First is it reduces the chances of getting infections down there and leading to more significant issues such as infertility. Second, it diminishes the possibility of contracting all sorts of sexually transmitted diseases. That's all. Thank you for listening. Keep safe and be hygienic, everyone.